What's up, Tech Heart? We're going to continue on in our Arch Linux installation playlist, and you guys voted on this one. So we're going to install Xfce on top of our vanilla Arch Linux setup. If you don't have your vanilla Arch Linux setup, go in this playlist and find it at the bottom or the top, whichever way I put it there. Otherwise, if you do, let's follow along and we'll get Xfce installed. Xfce is a light Linux desktop environment. It's pretty cool, and it'll run on any hardware at all. So if you're not looking for all the bells and whistles, this video might be for you. 90% of you aren't subs, so please give us a like and a subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you like this playlist or the channel even more, there are memberships available, and that really helps us out. But let's get right to this, baby. Boom! Okay, and we'll get logged into our Arch Linux vanilla install. Let's go! I'll make the font bigger for y'all. There we go. Before we install Xfce, we're going to do a Peru to update our system. This is built off our vanilla Arch Linux installation, and so we always have to run Peru to make sure that we're updated. And we are. Now, we're going to run a Peru-S on Xfce4, Xfce4-goodies, light DM, and light DM-GTK greeter. That's going to give us all of our Xfce4 and our login manager. We'll select the defaults on all of these. Booyah! Let's install, baby! There we go. Now we have Xfce4 and the light DM login manager installed. And we're going to do a Peru-S on network manager applet. Let's get some themes. So we're going to do arc-gtk, gtk-theme. We'll do a papyrus-icon-theme. We'll do a materia. Oh, you can't see that because it's off screen. GTK theme. We'll do a numix-gtk-theme. We'll do a numix-icon-theme. Some of that was cut off, but you'll see the commands. Let's go! We'll select the defaults on everything. Okay, there we are. And now we're going to do a sudo systemctl enable, and we're going to do -- now on lightdm. When we run this command, the lightdm login manager should pop up. Whoa! Let's get logged in. A little bit of capture card issues, but we'll fix that in a minute. Xfce4, baby! And there we go. We're booted right into Xfce4. Rockstar! Let's change the display to 1.25. So I'll go down here to settings, display, and this is just for y'all's viewing enjoyment. We're going to go to 1.25. We'll apply that. And there we are. It's just a little bit bigger. Now we're going to open up a terminal because we've got more stuff to add. I'll make it a little bit bigger for y'all. And we'll do a Peru-S on GVFS. GVFS-MTP file-roller. Now, GVFS and GVSF-MTP are for mounting USB, Android, SMB, and other types of shares. File roller is an archive manager. These are all for your file manager. Let's get that going. Oh boy, I'm ready. There we go. Since I'm on a ThinkPad laptop with a trackpad, Peru-S on Touch, Egg, and Touche. These will give us gesture controls. So let's install those puppies, shall we? I think so. Ho, ho, ho. Touch, Egg, and Touche installed. So, what does that mean? And I'll have to do a restart, so I'll do sudo reboot now. We want to get that Touch Egg service going. And now, if I open this up and I run a Touche, that'll bring up this little menu, and I can scroll down and see over here. Swipe with 4 fingers up or down switches the desktop. Let's try that. If I swipe up, it goes left, and if I swipe down, it goes to the right. I can switch my workspaces or my desktops. Gangster! There's many other settings in here. We can change our gestures. And that was with Touche. Touche. Do you like that? I do. Let's move right along. We'll do a Peru-S on Pamac-GTK. This is a software installer. We'll take the defaults, make it bigger, boop, boop. Let's go! Okay, cool. Now, let's get some Office software installed. Peru-S on LibreOffice. Let's do this thing! You know you want some Office software. You gotta edit some documents. You gotta make some spreadsheets. Let's go! Okay, that's done. You know you don't want this shitty browser right here. Horrible. There's not even one installed. So, let's do curl-fs, fs capital S, on https://dl.brave.com, because the Brave browser is the best, baby. Install.sh/sh. Let's install Brave. Okay, Brave is installed. Nice. We don't want to start Brave by typing Brave in the CLI, so we'll go over here to Internet. We'll click Brave. We'll grab that mother lover. We'll select Brave. Okay. Now when we click down here, Brave opens up. Bob's your uncle. Lovin' life, dog. Now we'll need a video player, so we'll do a Peru-S on VLC. Let's get that sucker installed, baby! Look at that. When I press the Windows button, the Applications menu doesn't pop up. I know that's because Xfce maps it to Alt F1, which does, but I want that to be my Windows key. So we can go down here to Keyboard, go to Shortcuts, and we're looking for the pop-up Applications menu. So we can just click here on the Alt F1 and press Windows. And now, when I press Windows, the Applications opens. So Xfce is very light. It's a simple desktop environment, but it's nice. It gets the job done. So that was a pretty easy one, right, guys? Let me know in the comments below if this is for you. And until then, Tech Heart out!